Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides. This is star. It has 10 sides. This is parallelogram. It has 4 sides. Next one, circle. It has no sides. Next one, diamond. It has 4 sides. Next one, triangle. It has 3 sides. Pentagon, star, parallelogram, circle, diamond, triangle. Let's color it. Red color. Red color. Pentagon. Red color. Sea green color. Star. Sea green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Parallelogram. Grass green color. Circle. Grass green color. Brown color. Diamond. Brown color. Purple color. Purple color. Triangle. Triangle. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Pentagon, star, parallelogram, circle, diamond, triangle. Thank you kids. Bye bye. See you in next video.